Hi guys, in this video, we are going on a temple visit spree starting from the lesser known Dhyan Kood temple near Jagat Singhpur town. The Panchasakhas are known to be meditating here. This is an important pilgrimage as Lord Jagannath is being worshipped here. इसके अलावा, we will be visiting few more famous temples around Cuttack as well. This was a full family outing and we can't wait to share it with all of you. Let's start. The Dhyan Kood temple is situated about 15 kilometers from Jagat Singhpur town. यहाँ जाने के लिए it is best to go in your own vehicle or hire a car as public transport is not very helpful here. The scenic views on the bank of river Devi are simply beautiful. As you enter, you will find a few small refreshment shops and you can even have the famous Dahi Bara Aloo Dum of Cuttack without onion and garlic. You need to take off your shoes definitely before entering the temple. This temple is made quite like the replica of the Puri Jagannath temple, which is almost always overcrowded. सीढ़ियों पे आपको शिव जी एंड हनुमान जी के छोटे छोटे मंदिर मिलेंगे, just like the Puri main temple. The name Dhyan Kood comes from the word Dhyan, meaning meditation. It is said that the Panchasakhas, 5 Odia poets, Balram Das, Atibadi Jagannath Das, Achyutananda Das, Ananta Das and Jasobanta Das used to meditate at this place during the 15th and 16th centuries. They were called the Panchasakhas as they adhered to the same school of thought, Utkaliya Vaishnavism. After this, you enter the main temple where Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Goddess Subhadra are worshipped. This place is lesser known and hence less crowded as compared to the main temple in Puri. एंड इसीलिए यहाँ आप अच्छे से शांति से दर्शन कर पाओगे. इनफैक्ट थोड़ी देर शांति से बैठ के पंडित जी की जगन्नाथ भगवान की स्टोरीज भी सुन पाओगे. The Dhyan Kood temple is known for its beautiful architecture and you will get to enjoy the panoramic views of the shrine. मेन टेम्पल के अगल बगल में ही आप माँ लक्ष्मी और अन्य भगवानों के मंदिर में भी उनके दर्शन कर सकते हो. जब हम लोग यहाँ आए थे तब थोड़ी बारिश हो रही थी, इसीलिए यू कैन सी पूरे जगह पे पानी था, बट दिस डिड नॉट अफेक्ट आवर विजिट एट ऑल. दर्शन के बाद यहाँ आप प्रसाद जरूर खा के जाइएगा. The prasad preparation is quite similar to the main Mahaprasad of Puri temple. After paying a nominal cost of rupees 70 per person, you will have to go and get a disposable plate from here for rupees 10, which is additional. यहाँ पे प्रसाद जमीन पे बैठ के खाया जाता है एंड मंदिर के लोग इसे सर्व करते हैं. This is unlimited and you can eat as much as you want to. The prasad lunch was very tasty indeed. After talking to Pandit ji here, we got to know that during Rath Yatra festival, devotees come and even stay here for the holy month of Kartik. There are many cottages built here for the devotees to stay. यहाँ पे एक फेमस प्रेम सागर पंडित जी रहते हैं. आप चाहें तो जाने से पहले इनका आशीर्वाद लेके जा सकते हैं. तो गाइस, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं अपनी पूरी फैमिली के साथ एक मंदिर में जिसका नाम है, मम्मी क्या नाम है? गोरखनाथ मंदिर, गोरखनाथ एंड सारला मंदिर. तो अब वहाँ जाके हम आपको दिखाते हैं कि क्या है वहाँ पे एंड कौन से भगवान जी हैं और क्या क्या है.
चप्पल यहाँ पे आपको गाड़ी में उतार के जाना चाहिए। ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि आप मंदिर के बाहर चप्पल रख के जाओ तो आपको अपनी चप्पल वापस मिलेगी।
यहाँ पॉकेट मार से सावधान रहिए, ऐसा साइन बोर्ड भी लगा है, सो प्लीज बी केयरफुल। Ma Sarala temple is also at a distance of about 15 kilometers from Jagat Singhpur town and about 54 kilometers from Cuttack. Ma Sarala is believed to be a synthesis of the divine figure of goddess Durga and Saraswati. मेन मंदिर के अंदर जाने से पहले आप यहाँ से पूजा का जो भी सामान आपको चाहिए वो सब खरीद के लेके जा सकते हो।
मंदिर जाने से पहले थोड़ी मंदिर शॉपिंग
भगवान को भी चाहिए ना,
कुछ लेके जाना चाहिए ना,
खाली हाथ नहीं जाते भगवान।
इतनी सारी चीजें दे दो।
Ma Sarala is believed to act as a patron of the followers of the Hindu cults Vaishnava and Shakta. It is one of the 8 most famous Shakta shrines of Orissa. The main idol, carved out of stone, is of 8-armed, keeping her right feet on the lion. The temple was constructed by the legendary Bhoma kings in the 8th century and has a legendary association with sage Parshuram. Puranas describe that he was the 6th incarnation of Lord Vishnu and had engraved the deity by his arrow and worshipped her for wisdom and power. Next, we headed to the Gorakhpur temple. The Gorakhnath Pitha is situated around 13 kilometers from Jagat Singhpur town. It is a famous Lord Shiva temple in Orissa. यहाँ भी आप मंदिर एंटर करने से पहले जो भी भोग या पूजा का सामान लेना चाहें तो आप यहाँ से खरीद सकते हैं। They have some ready-made bhog ka plates for you. Gorakhnath is an important place for the Nath Dharma in Orissa. Gorakhnath had travelled over Orissa preaching the Nath religion. It is an important tourist attraction and is quite near to Ma Sarala temple. You will be in awe when you see the intricate wall carvings all throughout the temple. Thousands of devotees throng the temple every year, especially on the occasion of Mahashivaratri. The Samadhi of the Nath Guru is called Gaddi. There is a big banyan tree near the Gaddi of Gorakhnath Pitha. The devotees from different parts of Orissa come to this place to worship the Gaddi and fulfill their desire. On your way back, do make a stop at Mahamaya Hotel and have its famous Malai Chai. I hope आपको आज हमारा ये spiritual temple journey का vlog अच्छा लगा हो. Please visit all these temples whenever you're in Orissa. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिए इस वीडियो को, शेयर करिए अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ, सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे चैनल को. And now I'll see you in our next vlog.